welcome to our channel. We got to grow gardening and PEI. My name is Vanessa, and today we are going to be starting some hydroponic seeds using our growing medium, which is a foam base that we were given with our Vivor hydroponic system. So today we are going to be starting some different types of lettuce and spinach so that we can grow them in here and then put them in our Vivor hydroponic system, and then we will be able to have fresh greens before it's even going to be grass showing in our yard, because we are very deep in snow. Last weekend we got the giant dump of snow, about 64 centimeters in about 3 days. So we won't be seeing the grass for quite some time here. So this is one of the varieties, a salad bowl lettuce that I'm starting today. A perpetual spinach. I grew this last year and loved it. And we're going to be doing some broccoli rab. And also some kale. And I'm going to I haven't tried this before, but some Homesteader jumbo pack of dwarf peas, just to try to see if they'll actually do anything. So first, we start and water the growing medium, and then that allows you to add the seeds in so that they don't slip off as easy. As you can see, it can be a little tricky because those seeds are just so darn small. Just insert them about 3 millimeters into your growing medium, and that should be enough to get them covered and started to grow. Here I am planting the kale seeds. They're actually called a dinosaur kale. They are very good, and the kids really like them when they're baby greens, and they can actually start around 30 days eating them, and you can have them grow full size at 60 days. So they're really quick kale when you are growing them in your garden. Here is the salad bowl lettuce that I'm going to be growing as well. Here I'm planting our last set of peas, and we're almost all done. Now I have all my seeds sown, and they are ready to start to grow. Now with a little bit of time, we will have some greens in our basement, which is great. Some peas, spinach, lettuce. As you can see, I have 2 containers. They nest nicely into each other. One has the holes in it and the growing medium, and the other on the bottom has water. You're going to seal your lid to let them germinate and check them every 2 days, or if you're like me, all the time. Thanks for watching. Keep growing. Like and subscribe to get more videos just like this one.